Hello! Welcome to Cleveland Metropolitan School District Project ACT. COVID-19 has thrown us all into a world of technology. Whether we're new to this or we've been using technology for a long time, it's taken us all by surprise. If you're anything like me, you feel bombarded with technology swirling around you. I feel like I'm drowning in passwords and logins and different platforms and options and terminology that I've never heard of. Don't worry, help is on the way. This series of video tutorials will help you get established logging in and navigating the Cleveland Metro website. We'll help you find your programs and give you an overview of those programs, and we'll also show you how to use the technology to communicate effectively. I know you're overwhelmed, but together we can do this. We've got this.